Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I have this power inverter. This is for the car power inverter. It's a 200 watts, 2-time USB-C port, 2-time USB-A port, 110 volts to 120 volt socket in your car. So this car inverter, it came with the user manual. User manual, easy to understand, written in English, easy to understand. And the standard input voltage for this car inverter is a 12 volts maximum input voltage, 15 volts when connecting to the car socket. So this is the cigarette lighter socket. So the maximum output of this output power depends on the car fuse. For example, if the fuse is 15 ampere, the output is 15 ampere multiplied by 12 volts, so it's equals to 180 watts. So the car engine should be started before the inverter connecting to the car outlet to avoid draining the car battery. Never ever use this car inverter when you are inside the car without turning on the car, because if you will do that, it will affect the battery life of your vehicle. And the reason why I get this, this is a very important when it comes to camping, when you travel long travel, and when you're charging your cell phone, because the USB cable from the car is not enough to immediately charge your cell phone. This is a powerful car inverter. And the nice thing with this, it has a AC socket that you are able to plug in your fan. And the nice thing with this as well, so it has this 24 watts. This is a 24 watts this is a 24 watts QC 3.0 output. And it has a USB as well for a regular socket, and a 2 AC socket as well that you are able to plug in your appliance. But you should not plug in not more than 300 watts, because this car inverter, it's rated up to 200 watts. It's a powerful car inverter that you are able to use. I have an issue before when I traveled before, and my wife went inside the Walmart and my battery of my cell phone died, because before I use a Samsung cell phone and it's easy to drain. I cannot contact my wife. She asked me to drop her off to the Walmart store, local Walmart. And then when I tried to contact her, I couldn't contact her because my phone died. And when I plug in my phone, it won't start right away because it's totally drained. So I decided to buy an inverter, because this inverter is very powerful. Once you put your USB cable and you plug into your phone, it's immediately fire it's immediately fire in the cell phone. So I've been using similar to this but different brand, but this is my first time to buy this brand, the Sonian. I don't know how good this power inverter, because I basically rely to the inverter which can last for a long years to come, similar to the inverter that I use in my minivan. But the cable that I have in my minivan is already been ripped, so I need to buy a new inverter. So this is my first time to get similar inverter to my minivan inverter. They both same rated 200 watts and same AC plug. AC socket, and it has the same USB and a PW 24 watts socket as well. So this one, you can buy this from Amazon for $15. I got this last year, but I never used this. But it's a great power inverter. And the car engine, you should remember that the car engine should be started before the inverter, connecting to the car outlet to avoid draining the car battery. And always switch off the inverter when you have finished using the inverter. Always do that, and you will avoid any issue with your car battery. And after the car is started, you need to plug in this equipment before use. Make sure that the power of the connected equipment does not exceed to the amount of the inverter, which is rated to 100 watts. And before to plug in the device into the AC outlet of the inverter, you need to press the AC power button. And if the blue indicator lights up, it means that the inverter can be used. And please do not use the inverter for a long time after the car engine is turned off, to avoid the serious drop in the car's battery. It will affect your ignitions and shortening the battery life of your car. After you use, please remove the inverter and use it properly. And that's the most important things using the car inverter like this. This is made in China. As what I said a while ago, I don't know how long this lasts. But my other power inverter, the only issue that I have is the cord. It ripped to this side. But this one probably can last for long years to come. So once you plug this in to the cigarette lighter, you need to turn this on until you see the blue lights here. And now you are able to use it. Just follow the directions, and you will not have an issue with your car battery. And this is the best car power inverter that you can buy. For $15, it's not gonna break your bank. It's not gonna cost your arms and legs. That's a reasonable price for a power inverter like this. But I'm able to plug in my small fan whenever I travel. And nice thing, I'm able to fast charge my iPhone easily to this USB and the PD 24 watts C-type socket. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. And if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. I give a thumbs up to this Sondian, a car inverter, 200 watts rated. It's a great product that you are able to use during camping, during long travel. You're able to plug in your small fan through the AC socket, and also you're able to plug in your cell phone or either your tablet or your computer. You are able to plug in your computer here too as well. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. God bless. It